Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new Hot Wheels car. And this is from 2014 Hot Wheels Workshop. It's number 231 of 250 on the year. The 70 Camaro, this metallic green. Muscle Mania. Alright, let's get it open. See how cool it is. Nice pop. Ooh, dirty wheels. Oh, nice. Looks good, looks good. Don't know if that little blemish is right there, though. Is it not? Or just, oh, there it is. Just scratch it off. Or, oh, it scratched off the black. But that was like a little bit of a blemish. And now I made it worse. Ooh, nice metallic green though, like that antifreeze green. Got speakers in the back. You know I love it when they got speakers. Driving on the left, and both windows down. You can see inside the car. Always a cool thing. Plastic bottom and all the green is metal. Made in Malaysia. Trying to make it stay coming in clear. Alright, how does it roll? Rolls nice on the table. Nice straight. Nice. Nice bounce back. And I like how high up it is too. Not a low rider. Haha, got my approval, that's for sure. Love the speakers and the Hot Wheels logo in the back. That's really cool. Oh! Nice. Do a little dance. Look at that park job. Nice. I'll take it. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out with me. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. Till next time, T10 out.